Gornyi Institut, and I'm at the opening of the new station, guys, here in St. Petersburg, Russia. What's up, everybody? Igor in Russia, and this is brand new metro station that opened just really like few minutes ago. New brand new station, Green Line, Gornyi Institut, Mountain Institute, which is like the university right next to this place. So this is awesome, guys. We're gonna tune in and check out how this place looks like, because on this channel I have filmed all of the metro stations. Here's the artwork, beautiful in the theme of Gornyi Institut. And Gornyi means mountain. So I just passed the gates and check out the beautiful artwork. Like the details on the helmets, guys. Smells so fresh. And here we are, guys. This is the new station. Inside the new station, Gornyi Institute, Orange Line of St. Petersburg. Over here, beautiful detail. There's a bird over here. Sparkling. Everything is so nice. This is amazing, guys. I'm really happy. This is really beautiful work, I gotta say. Let's see the metro coming in. Here we go. Gornyi Institut, and I'm at the opening of the new station, guys, here in St. Petersburg, Russia. Hope you guys comment what you guys think about the new station. It has the theme of the mountain, because right here is like mountainous university, basically geography, I guess. So yeah, go and subscribe. And here's the actual detail at the end of the station, which is very common. Alright guys, the station is really cool. It has nice details. Metros are, people appreciate metros as well. It's always a celebratory thing to have actually more stations, beautiful, decorative, etc. So I had to go actually to another station in order to buy the stuff that I was waiting 40 minutes and it was sold out right in front of me. So I actually got Gornyi Institut token from another station. Check it out. So this goes into history books for sure. I was there, first time ever at the opening of metro station. Super.